right, so we're going to try something completely new. Instead of having prompts of my Somatic Money Oracle deck, um, and instead of having the paperwork right out here in front of me, I'm going to do a live Magic of Somatic Money reading here without any prompts, just tuning in with Spirit Team, and we're just going to see if anything that they have to come through, anything that they have to say here in a live read. So let me just tune in. Well, the first message that is coming through, and this is in general, they're like Spirit Team is basically saying, there are so many of you just running around with your life and your money, and it's like you're in a spin, and they are saying, stop. Just stop. They're saying so many of your financial issues have to do with the fact that you just keep going and going and going, and they're like, stop. So I think the message that I can give to you is like, wherever you're at in your life, if you're having problems with financial issues, there's this thing going on of like you needing to come to front and center with yourself. That's when I can hear them say, that's part of what keeps you in overdrive is you are afraid to meet yourself. You are afraid to find out what's going to actually be there if you stop and meet yourself. And what they're saying is, yeah, first when you do that, there's a little bit of a storm, and yeah, it can kind of be scary and, like figment of your imagination monsters kind of thing. But they're like, if you stop and meet yourself there, good things begin to happen. Good things begin to happen as you move through that threshold. Good things begin to happen. And what they're saying is like, that's where we will also meet you there and begin to give you specific things on a daily basis that will help make your life a little bit better, a little bit better, a little bit better, a little bit better. I can hear somebody saying, baby steps. This is not about you taking like a quantum leap off the edge of a building or a cliff and just going off into the abyss. That's not what this is about. This is about just getting really front and center with yourself, present, meeting yourself there. And once you get through that threshold a little bit, beginning to see what can begin to grow on a little bit of a daily basis, baby steps. Okay, what else? They're like, that's it. So there, that one for you. That's for you to take into your playground, your daily practice or process, and begin to see what comes from it. Okay.